Manipur Women Convention was held today at Kraida Community Hall in Chingamathak with an aim to bring together all the women groups in the state under one platform and to discuss about the future course of action. Speaking on the sidelines, convener of Imagi Meira Thokchom Sujata said that the violence clash which started in May last year could not be resolved till today. Instead, it has worsened as people in Manipur cannot access the national highways, which are the lifeline for the state. Even Chief Minister himself is not safe to travel on these highways. Sujata said at this juncture, it is crucial for mothers of Manipur to play active role, and the convention was organized in order to chalk out the future course of action. While expressing dissatisfaction over the rest of the MLAs for not taking any action against 10 Kukizo MLAs who are trying to break Manipur, Sujata said opposition MLAs and MPs also need to play their role and to work in the interests of people. She also maintained that people have lots of expectations from the newly elected MPs of Manipur in highlighting the plights of people in the upcoming parliament session. Sujata further maintained that 8 decisions were taken in today's convention and they will demand the government to fulfill them within 30 days.
Lifeline juries honorable CM Mama ma'am said Tasanba had a fast step Hongtangi. Magi CM have a give a pot saying I have the ruling the lazy money Pumanga neba. Nipumangagi Manusida, Amalega, Sunipu Marimo supporting never have the way that the Matin Piriba. Adobo, Gasi or ever Tahi Magatama, Surapotsida, Mokoina Unity or Raga, Kaigoma, Hontanga Matalotaba, Magi, Hay others Hamuraga, other Pisapisanuraga, Marcha Traga, or they had the Magi Tonga, group Semda Ragato Pose. Masi mama me am yararoi akoina amaga amaga yesan raga ngang buse kasena nuai mai gi mathau pirase haiba potuni mama me amna nipu mangai su nipu mangai mathau mangai su mangai gi mathau haiba poto madugi khongthang ama thangaltragadi akoi iramdam se kanbada yamna waga dore aduna hujik sengna magi geng semna dana ko se MLA oiro mantri oiro mai gi group semnare boji se koina loi uba ngata oirabaduni madugi group puna makto thadok piro haiba poto maduni